Welcome back. So once you will click on the URL I have given you, this is the URL. So you will enter your email. So you will get this screen that is so here you will see three plans. So you can here you can see this is for the 20 rupees per month for 3 months, free for 3 days. So you can use it for free for 3 days, and this is another plan and this is another plan. So on your requirement you can select the plan you like. I'm just going to use this plan. So it will ask for enjoy 3 days free, and it will ask for this your first name, last name, credit card number. Okay, so you can also make the payment using UPI. Here you can select the UPI, and these are the details you need to enter. But this is also an option. I will do this later, so I am not going to do it right now. I am selecting this option. I will do this. So I am just using this for teaching because I have already one store for the teaching purpose. And so here, where would you like to sell? So these are the option. You can also skip this setup, but uh, it's up to you. So what you are going to do with the store, like online marketplaces, if you have to list the products on Etsy, Amazon and more, like Misho, Shopee, Shopsy, Flipkart. So you can select this option. I'm just selecting this option to create an online store. And if this is this shop for new or existing business, so I'm just selecting new business. And what do you want plan to sell? Products I So I'm just selecting drop shipping products. So it will take few minutes to, so now this is the dashboard of, and here you can see this is the 3 days left in your trial. So this is for 3 days. After 3 days, this free trial will end and I need to make the payment of rupees 20, and I can select the plan from over here and I can make the payment anytime. So here you can see this is the dashboard you have got, and these are some steps. 0 out of 7 tasks complete. Find products to sell. You don't need to make changes over here. I will teach you like how to do these things step by step. So this is the home. Let me tell you about these uh, quick information about this uh, menu. This is very important. So this is the home, and this is the orders. It is not showing order because this is just a new online store I have just created, so there is no orders right now, but it will display the orders over here. Once you the customer will place the order, so it will come over here. And these are the draft. If anyone will create an order and leave the fill some information and then cancel the completing the order, then it will come over here in the draft. This is also the abandoned, like if will customer put an item in their cart but don't check out, so it will display those abandoned checkouts. And here it will come all of the product. You can add the product from over here, you can import the product. And in the coming lectures I will tell you like how to add your products for drop shipping. And these are the collections. You can create the collections. I will also tell you like how to create the collections. You can create the collection from women clothing, men footwear. Okay, so this is the collection. We can create the collection over here. And this is the inventory. You can manage the inventory, like you can go to the products and you can just uh, track the inventory from over here, like how many products are in stock. And these are the purchased order, how many orders are purchased. and these are transfers. This is nothing important. Gift card, yes, you can just create a gift card to give to your customers. So this is the customer. You will get all of the details about your customers, and you can also add customers from over here, or you can import. And this is for the marketing. If you have to, so it will uh, display some details about marketing. And these are campaigns automations. We will cover that in coming videos in details. So these are the discount. You can create discount coupons from over here. It's very easy, and content, this is very important. Like if you have to create a blog post, you can just click on blog post, but I will tell you in the coming video how to create a blog post, not from over here. I will teach you like how to use the blog post. And this is the menus, very important. Like so I'm just clicking on my store over here. I can see my store how it is looking right now. So this is the default. Once you will create a new store, you will get like this. So this is the default theme, that is dawn. And these are menus like home, catalog, contact. So here you can see there are two menus right now. This is the main menu, home, catalog, contact, and there is footer menu in which there is search. So this is home menu, and in the footer, if I will go to footer, so there's a search bar. Okay, but it is not showing anything. So that's fine because it's not mentioned anything over here. It's written only search. Okay, we can add menu items from over here. Okay, we can create duplicate. So there are so many options. Like as an example, this is the main menu, and I have to add about us page. So I will just click on add menu item, and I will add the text, and here this is the link. I need to add the page as well, but right now there is no about us page uh, created, so that's why I'm not able to link. So, and linking is very important. If I will try to click on save without linking, so it will throw an error. So there's a need of, I will tell you like how to create the pages. And this is, you can create the pages from over here. Like if you will click on online store, first of all I need to discard this. So here you can see these are the, if I have clicked on online store, this is themes, pages, and preferences. So this is the pages. Let me create a page first of all, that is I want to create a page about us. And I'm just pasting the same thing over here, and I need to set the visibility as visible, and I need to click on save. And now the page has been created. What I can do is I will go to the content, menus, and in the main menu I will click on add menu, and here I will write about us, and in the link I will go to the pages, and now I will select about us. Now it has been linked, and if I will click on save, so it will get saved. Here you can see menu updated. If I will refresh the page, so here this menu has come, that is about us. So this is how we can create page and menus. You can also add the menu in the footer as well. So this is about menu, and these are the files, whatever the media file you can upload. So right now this is I'm going to delete this, or you can just upload the media files over here, like any image file, video file, and these are the meta objects. This is not much important. Uh, so these are the markets. So right, currently it is India, but you can, if you have to do drop shipping for international, then you can create a market and you can create international market from over here. Okay, so this is very easy, nothing much to do. You just need to give the name and you can just include condition if you want. Okay, so this is very easy. You can just mention the market, international market you want to create. So this is the catalogs. You can create different type of catalogs from over here. So if you will see, so this is the catalog. Now, like it has, right now there are no product, but you can create different type of catalogs use from over here. This is analytics. This is very important. You will see it daily. Like you from here you can see about your sales and like how many orders fulfilled, how many returning customer rate, gross sales, orders. So this is very important. It will tell you how many customers visited. This is about the session. It can be about your session as well. Like if you are, oh, like I am opening this website, so this is also a session. My session will also include. Okay, so right now this is no one knows this address, so there no one knows about this website, so there's no one anyone else come. So these are 17 session that is by me. So here from here, this is the report. This is very important. You can just check the sessions by locations and other things. So here you can see this is United States and 54 sessions, and this is India, Haryana, Karnal, that is me. So might be there are some other one use checking this website from United States. So and from over here you can just select the time. If I will check the time to today only, so it will display the details accordingly today. And this is the live view. This is very good thing. Visitors right now, that is two. So one is in from US and one is me. Okay, India. So it can give you the exact number of live users right now. Okay, so this is online store, and from here this is the theme, current theme. This one is your current theme, that is Dawn, and you can customize from over here. You can manage password, and this is the pages. I have told you about this. Preferences very important. Okay, so and I will tell you about this preferences as well. And these are the apps which we will cover in the details in coming video. So that's pretty much about this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.